friends, welcome to Report. In this session we are going to see about how to create temporary stored procedures in SQL Server. In our previous sessions we get checked with how to create temporary tables in SQL Server. Like this, we can create temporary stored procedures in SQL Server. Temporary stored procedures are like normal stored procedures, but as their name suggests, have fleeting existence. There are two kinds of temporary stored procedures in a SQL Server. One is local temporary stored procedure, and second one is global temporary stored procedures. Local temporary stored procedure starts with hash, single hash, and stored in temporary TempDB database. It's available only for current session and is dropped when the current session is closed. Let us check with the simplest example. For this, I'm going to create one procedure, local temporary stored procedures. Before that, we check with the table for referencing for stored procedure, where employee ID is equal to 1. Order by employee ID, order by year. So this is a statement used to create this procedure. So we are going to create procedure for this employee sales with employee ID. So here at employee ID as integer. This is a general syntax for creating procedure. So here is just pass with the employee ID. So it's just created. We can check this procedure stored in TempDB and stored procedure with DBO.employee sales employee ID. So this will list out the temporary procedures here. So TempDB stored procedures. So how can we execute this? Like normal stored procedure. ID 1, 2. But we cannot execute this from another session. See, not available for another sessions. Available only for the current session when it is closed. This will be dropped from the TempDB. See, there is no stored procedures, temporary stored procedures in TempDB. So this is a local temporary table stored procedures. Okay, that second one is global temporary stored procedures. Starts with double hash and stored in TempDB like local temporary procedure, but this is available for all sessions and is dropped when the creator session is closed. Let us check creating that same procedure. Create procedure employee with double dash employee sales employee ID with global So here also just pass with the employee ID, select here, and sales quantity from employee sales, where employee ID is equal to employee ID and order by year and sales quantity. So we can create this and check with the TempDB. So this is available with double hash. So here we can execute this procedure within the same session and also with the new session. When the creator session is closed, we cannot execute that store procedure, and it was represented with TempDB store procedures list. So these are the temporary store procedures in SQL Server. One is local and other one is global. Simple difference between this local and global is local available only for current session, and that was dropped when the current session was closed. Current session is closed, and the global is available for all sessions, and is dropped when the creator session is closed. So this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this sessions, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.